Hello everyone, this is Anuj from GadgetGig. Today we have with us a budget true wireless earphone from Noise, and they are the Noise Earbuds. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how they perform. So here is the box of the Noise Earbuds. In the front we have the picture of the earphones along with the model name Earbuds, and they are the truly wireless earphones. At the back we have the features, and here we have the bare white variant, and apart from that, it's available in a few different colors. About the features, so we get the quad mic ENC for calling, up to 24 hours playback time, transparent case design, Bluetooth 5.3, low latency for gaming, and you get the 9mm driver in these earphones. The MRP on the box is Rs 3499, however, they're available to purchase right now for just Rs 1099. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box we get the documentations, and here we have a welcome card, and this side we have the warranty information. And then we get a quick start guide, and here we have the info on how to reset these earphones. And then we get the user guide which has the info about the different touch controls. And after that we get the noise stickers. And then in the box we get the earphones itself. And guys, we have the transparent case this time, and you can see the earbuds inside the case. We will look at the charging case and the earbuds in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the extra ear tips of large and small size. And then we get this Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise Earbuds, as the name suggests, offers a transparent design. And in terms of the design, I find it pretty good, and the size is also compact. And also, the build quality feels good, keeping in mind the pricing. So in terms of the overview, we have the Noise logo in the front, and then here we have the Type-C port for charging. At the back of the case, we can see the battery capacity, which is 300 mAh. And with this case, you can get up to 24 hours of battery backup. In terms of the door and hinge quality, first of all, you can open the case with one hand, and the quality of the door is not that good, but again, this is what we were expecting in this price segment. So here we have the earbuds, and we get the in-ear style earbuds with the ear hooks. We get the glossy finish on the earbuds with the touch controls. In these earbuds, we have a quad mic setup, which means 2 mics in each earbud for calling. The driver size is 9mm, and you get the Bluetooth 5.3 support in these earbuds. And apart from that, you get the gaming mode with low latency. And about the performance, I will talk in a moment. Now let's pair them with our phone and we will see how they perform. So guys, we don't get the hypersync in these earphones, and for pairing, we need to take them out of the case and they are ready to pair. So we have paired them with our phone. Now let me show you first the touch controls. So a double tap on either of the earbuds will pause and play music. Single tap on the right earbud will increase the volume, and a single tap on the left earbud will decrease the volume. A long tap on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and a long tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by triple tapping on the left earbud, and for the gaming mode, it's a triple tap on the right earbud. Now let's talk about the sound quality. So first of all, I find these earbuds very comfortable to use, and guys, make sure to use the correct size ear tips for better sound quality and passive noise cancellation. Now about the sound output, you get decent bass from these earbuds, and the vocals are also clear. But guys, I find the highs overpowered in these earbuds, so the treble is slightly more than my personal preference. But again, keeping in mind the pricing, we get decent bass, and the instrument separation is also very good. And also, they are pretty loud, yet no distortions in the sound. We have also tested these earbuds for movies and videos, and there also, we find the performance decent. As the bass is not overpowered, the dialogue clarity is very good. And as mentioned earlier, for gaming, we get a dedicated mode in these earbuds, and when you triple tap on the right earbud, you enter in the gaming mode. And performance wise, these earphones performs very good. So without the gaming mode, you get more than 200 milliseconds latency, but with the gaming mode, it's around 50 to 100 milliseconds, which is also pretty good. And now lastly about the mic performance, the clarity is good for both voice and video calls, and the quad mic setup does cancel the background noises while you're on a call. So overall, the Noise Earbuds offers a unique transparent design with decent build quality. The sound output is good, and we get good bass, and the clarity is good for both music and movies. They're a bit treble heavy, and I wish the treble was slightly reduced in these earbuds. Nonetheless, the overall performance of these earphones is good, especially in this price range. And at around 1000 rupees price mark, we think you're getting a good looking earphones with decent sound output. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Earbuds true wireless earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these earphones in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.